So you need Mario or what?
Yeah, I will need that.
Hmm?
Yes, I do need Mario a lot.
So how many pieces you think is in this set?
And the entire set all together?
Yeah.
I would say like 500, like 1,200.
So show me when you're gonna put Mario if you get it.
If I do get Mario, I'm gonna put a pipe over. I'm gonna put him over here. So he's gonna go here, then here. Flip the switch, go into the things, and then go to this set. Come here, come down, knock over the birds. Come here, down
So
over
how
here.
about the Pikachu?
I'm gonna finish that eventually.
If something for Pikachu?
Yep.
Okay.
Then after I do this, I'm gonna go there. Easy now.
So what was the hard part in this Lego?
The hardest parts?
Yeah.
I would just say this part. That's why I'm
Halloween
fixing
special.
it a little bit. Yes.
So how works so?
Basically, I'm gonna show you the rest, but for now I'm just trying to fix the regular stuff.
Okay.